If I'm not getting any leads, how do I distinguish if my landing page is at fault or if my campaign is not set up properly? So this is where you need to take one step at a time. You look at your keywords. You know your keywords are correct. You look at your ads. Your ad is enticing enough, getting the clicks, people like what they see. Then you are driving traffic to your landing page. And if they are not clicking on your ad, that means it's either the keywords or the audience targeting is wrong, or your ad is not good enough to get the click. Your offer is not good. People don't like what they see. But if they're clicking on it, the right people clicking on it, that's important. Then it's your offer or your landing page. So to check what keywords, whether they are the right one or not, first you will know what keywords you are using, but then you also look in the search terms. See which search terms triggered your ads, right? Or through which keyword. So if your search term is not relevant to the keyword, then there's something wrong. You need to use a lot of negative keywords to tighten that up. So when somebody is searching for buy iPhone 13 and you are selling iPhone 13, your ad shows up. So when somebody searches for buy Samsung Galaxy or something like that, you don't want your ads to trigger through that ad group or campaign.